to Dr. Michelle's Integrative Health and Wellness channel. We're doing a lower back acupuncture treatment today, and I've got my lovely friend Charles Mayberry here. He's also a fellow doctor of acupuncture and Chinese medicine, and I will put his link down below. He is in the San Diego area, has his own practice, and we both want to share with you a low back treatment today and how effective that can be. I do already have a neck and shoulder treatment in my playlist, but and so today we are doing a neck and shoulder and a low back treatment. So I wanted to show you primarily the low back treatment, which can be very effective in tonifying and strengthening the low back, can be very effective post-surgically, post-trauma, if you've had like a sports injury or trauma to the low back. And again, just preventative health medicine, which we're not really brought up on, especially in the olden days. So we really want to welcome, it's a good idea to welcome preventative health medicine, which is what Charles and I do. We treat one another twice a month, so every other week we're getting connected and treating one another to fill our needs, depending on whatever those might be, but we can usually come up with a list of all sorts of things. So I'll be getting my neck and shoulder treatment done after Charles is done cooking. So remember to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. That helps our channel grow and spread the word on natural healing and health. And then hit the bell icon twice, and that way you'll be notified of my new video releases. But let me go ahead and just kind of walk you through. Ignore my car, is normally not in my studio, but since it's a dear friend of mine here, I left my pet Mercedes over there in the studio. So anyways, Charles has acupuncture in the upper back and in the neck region, and I'll give you a close-up view of that. And then he's got needles placed in the let me see if I can zoom in here for the neck and shoulders so I can get a good glimpse. There we go, neck and shoulders. And I usually have the electrical stimulation for myself on that area. Feel free to go watch the video that I have live in the Chinese medicine playlist. And then he's got the infrared heat lamp, which is really wonderful for all types of pain, especially back pain, and very warming, tonifying, nourishing. And it's also great for many other conditions, such as skin conditions, detoxing the body. Infrared heat is very, very effective therapeutically. So let me walk over here and just see if I can zoom in on the low back. We've got the electrical stimulation attached, which is really great at regulating the movement of qi and blood. And it also helps to work out the muscles in the body, the tight muscles that can contract, and helps to relax the muscles is our goal. It's working out the muscles and then hopefully going into a relaxed state afterwards. So that's the electrical stimulation. You may have heard of the TENS unit. It can also be used in physical therapy with the pads, and you might have one at home yourself. So we put it right on the needles, and it goes to a much deeper level effectively. And then over here, we've already done the Moxibustion Therapy, which I do show in my other video. The Moxibustion Therapy is a Chinese herb, also known as mugwort. Very warming, nourishing, and tonifying and strengthening. Great for pain, women's health, men's health, all sorts of ailments. But I've already used the cigar stick. It's an indirect heating method of the herb over the neck and shoulder area. And then I also treated the low back area with that. So again, very good for injuries, trauma, pain. And then what I'm going to be ending with is the moist hot packs. Moist heat is better than dry heat because, you know, as we age, we tend to dry up and wither. We get really dry. Our hair, our skin, our nails, and muscles and bones and tendons need to be well nourished. So moist heat is really great at softening the muscles and nourishing the body. So I'm going to be placing some hot packs on him, on his neck, shoulder, and low back region. And then after that, I'm going to be using one of my top essential oil blends, the Deep Blue blend. I will have the link below. You can go to my website if you'd like to get this. If you want to save 25%, direct message me, and I can get you hooked up on that special. But the Deep Blue is a great blend. I use this quite a bit on my inflammation and pain patients. It can be used for all types of pain: bone pain, muscle pain, arthritis, back pain, neck pain, etc. So after that, Dr. Charles will be well cooked, and he'll have the endorphins released in his body. So he'll be kind of having that post-acupuncture high look and feeling very, very good, being really relaxed and grounded. Speaking of grounded, I also have some essential oils diffusing the balance blend to help set the stage, grounding both the practitioner and the patient, so we can release anxiety, stress, and be really balanced both physically and mentally. So anyways, I will have Dr. Charles' information down below if you want to connect with him. My information I'll also have posted, and please reach out if either one of us can guide you. We're here for you, and we're both wishing you a safe journey along your way, and much healing. Ciao for now. Many blessings.